Hello and welcome to the replay. Hi friends. How are you? Oh, I'm gonna have to go over there. I'll just give it just a sec till I see my stream come up. There I go.
Hi friends.
And we don't need to hear my voice. Hi Wendy, how are ya? Hi Michelle. Hi Tammy. Hi Sylvia. Hi Kathleen, how are you guys? Hi Mindy, hi Bernadette, hi Kathy. I'm surprised there's so many people on Rutrow so late tonight. I wonder if I can do this during the middle. Eek. Hopefully, I'm going to try and keep this to under 15 minutes tonight. I just noticed I have my little exclamation point, and usually when it gets to 15 minutes, it cuts me off. So I'm going to go quickly. Hi, Kathy. Hi, Katie. Hey, Rob. Hi, Gabriella. Hi, Lorraine. Hi, April. How are you guys? As you're coming in, bottom left-hand side of your mobile device is a share button. I would love it if you guys would click it. Like I said, oops, bottom left-hand side of your mobile device. I hope you guys are having a great day. Yay, Gabriella! I'm so glad. Yes. Hi, Katie. Hi, Kathleen. Hi, Mandy. Hi, Christy. Hi, April. How are ya? Hi, Missy. Okay, so I'm going to stop looking at my comments and people coming in over here. Hello again, Erica, because I have to keep this to under 15 minutes. So I'm going to show you a super simple and super quick project tonight using the double transfer. Thank you for sharing, Kathleen. The double transfer and our new Greyson 18 by 24? 12 by 18. It's our Greyson 12 by 18 chalkboard. But first, if you have no idea what I'm even talking about and you've never watched one of my lives and you're like, what the heck is Chalk Couture? Here is a little something up on the screen that is going to show you what I am talking about. And while you guys are reading this, I'm glad to hear that, Mandy. While you guys are reading this, I'm going to go ahead and get my board open. Hi, Nicole. Hi, Aunt Renee. I'm glad you're getting out of your comfort zone, Gabriella. Hey, Sandy. Hi, Becky. Hello. Hi, Janet. I think I said hi to Nicole. All right, so let's get you guys so you can see where I'm at. Hi, Jess. Hi, Amanda. I'm only going to be looking over while I'm working on my project. Like I said, time is going to not be my friend tonight, so we're going to make this a lightning quick project. I finally got my entire house cleaned, like scrubbed top to bottom. I legit reeked of bleach earlier today because, well, you just got to clean really well, right? So my entire house is all cleaned up. Hi, Amanda. Hi, Debbie. Hi, Althea. There is a moth in here. That's awesome. Yay, they're attracted to the new lights. But after redoing my dining room and everything, I realized I need a new board for my decor. So I am going to quickly bust out a quick project. Whoa, I'm also going to throw a sponge across the room apparently as well. So we're going to quickly get this going. Hi, Renee. Hi, Jan. Hi, Trish. Hi, Tabitha. Hi, Shannon. Hi, Tana. Hi, Diane. Thanks for joining, guys. As you're coming in, bottom left-hand side of your mobile device is a share button. I would love it if you click share. All right, so what I'm going to do, these are our transfers. These are our silkscreen adhesive back reusable transfers. This one was out last year. It went on pause, and it did just come back out for the season. That is why it is not in the catalog, but you will see it online. Hi, Susie. Hi, Diane. So I used this to create a project last year, but someone liked it, and I gave it to them. So that's the fun part about our transfers being reusable. Look at what great shape this is in. This was my first transfer I'm reusing from last year now that I'm home and I'm able to go through my paused ones. So look at this. This is beyond sticky. So that just goes to show you what a superior product we have here when it comes to being able to reuse over and over and over again our products. Hi, Johnny. Hi, Victoria. Hi, Christine. Hi, Susie. Hi, Victoria. Hi, Christina. Hi, Loretta. Hi, Diane. Okay, I know I said I was going to stop so I can concentrate on getting this done. But you guys, I have to say hello to you. I just have to keep it. I've 9 minutes left to get this project kicked out. And I'm going to try my best to not make it fold on itself while I'm trying to move quickly. Because if that happens, I'm just going to have to start over because I don't have 15 minutes. So I'm just trying to fuzz it up this way, which I think will be the easier way for me to do it to where it doesn't fold on itself. And little Bran is already in bed and hopefully going to sleep since he starts school tomorrow, so I can't ask him for help. I'm gonna miss my little buddy. He's been so helpful this year, this whole summer with me doing my projects. Oh, look at that. Love it. Love the placement. It's perfect. Get out those few bubbles I got. There we go. Look at this. We're golden. All right, so it doesn't look like, oh, nope, I see a bubble right there in the D. Okay. You know that sound that it makes when you run your squeegee across an area that's got a bubble? We don't want that tonight. All right, so are you guys ready to see how quick this giant project is going to go? You're going to love it. Hi, Carrie. Hi, Brittany. Hi, Patricia. Hey, Bridget. Hi, Tana. Hi, Heidi. Hi, Nicole. How are you guys? Thanks for joining me. I appreciate it. Okay, so this is our Super Stash Bright White. I love that I have this giant amount of chalk paste at my disposal for the use of my projects. I'm going to add a little bit of white. A little spritz of water into this. Okay. Hi, Carrie. Hi, Steph. Oh, thank you, Stephanie. You're so sweet. Hey, Joel. How are you? Thanks for joining tonight. Hi, Brittany. Joel is one of my team members. How you doing, Joel? All right, so we're going to go ahead and do this, okay? So let's clear that out of the way. I'm going to just use a squeegee to pull out a good chunk. I'm going to make a gigantic mess, but that's okay. All right. Now, it may have looked like I pulled a whole bunch out. I'm not concerned because guess what? What I don't use, I'm going to squeegee and put right back into the jar. I'm doing well on time. Remember, I got to keep it under 15 minutes because I forgot to clear out my old videos on here, and it doesn't like it when you go over 15 minutes. Look at all this excess. Like, literally, I do not need even half of what I pulled out. It's going to be crazy. But I love that I can kick out a lightning quick project to add to my home decor that, uh-oh, I did have a bubble. We're going to see what happens, okay? Lightning quick project. I don't need to run to the store. I can come to my craft stash here, my chalk stash, and pull out exactly what I'm looking for and create that awesome project. Now, hopefully the bubble is not as bad as it looks. I guess I must have decided to not pay attention to down in this area. This looks like it might come out a little rough, but we can always clean it up. I'm not concerned. I'm really not. Gosh, I must not have done anything on this side. I see it on another bubble. That's okay. It's all right. Okay, I think I got all my lines up. Okay. Time to peel and reveal. Let's see how bad that bubble was. I think I got all the areas too. Oh, let's see how bad it is. Not so bad. Not so bad for quickie. I can touch that up with a Q-tip. Right here is where I had a little bit of a mess up. Uh-oh. Ah! Don't fall on the ground. Oh, no. Don't do that either. There it goes. Hanging my transfer on my table until I can get out to go clean it off. Look at that. 1, 2, 3 cleanup. Bang, bang, boom, done. How easy, guys. How easy was that? There's a bug. Get out of here. How easy, right? Hey, Joe. Hey, Tiff. Hey, Kathy. Hi, Christy. Hi, Kim. Hi, Cheryl. Hey, hey, girl. Hi, Rhea. Hi, Jack. Hi, Marilyn. Yay, I'm so glad you're doing good, Joel. Hey, John Paul. Hi, Christy. Hey there. Oh, thanks, Steph. I think I said thank you, but I just want to double check. So look at that. 10 minutes. I have a completed project. This looks super cool. You can totally even take different colors and come in and maybe just do the double in one color, the fire burn in another color. Last year when I did it, I did double in one color, toil and trouble in another color, fire burn in another color, and cauldron bubble in another color. And it was done. It looks so awesome, but this time I just went all white to go with my particular decor in my dining room. And that's it. Isn't that easy? Easy flippin' peasy, guys. I'm so funny. What did I do? Hi, Trish. Hi, Michelle. Hey, two Michelles. Hey, hey, hey. How are you, ladies? Hi, Trish. Hi, Nancy. Thanks, Melissa. Hey, Velma. Hi, Sandra. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, my air conditioner is angry at me. Did you hear how loud it got? I guess because I'm using this. And you can always come in and touch up that L if you don't like how it looks. I'm not. I'm happy with it. It's the piece that I needed, a decor piece to hang up on my wall. I'm a happy girl. And look, it's all dry. I can, oh. Nope, that part wasn't dry. But it's okay. Once it's all dry, I'll be able to run my hands all over it. And it'll be like perfecto. So, if while you were watching, you said, let's get out of here. There he goes. So if while you were watching, you loved what you saw and you said, oh my goodness, I can't wait to get this, and you're not already working with a Chalk Couture designer, I would love to be your designer, and I would love for you to buy from me. All you got to do is comment me right down below, and I will message you the link to my VIP group. If while you were watching this, you're like, you know what, I can do this. I would love to work with other people and do Facebook Lives and create beautiful works of art and get a fantastic discount on it while I'm working. If that's something that sounds like it interests you, comment join right down below and I'll message you the link to my opportunity group. There's a video in there that goes over every single thing you need to know about not only joining Chalk Couture, but joining my team. So I truly hope you guys enjoyed the project tonight. It was a super fast, super easy 1, 2, 3, wah, we almost dropped it project that I'm going to go hang up on my wall right now. So thanks so much for watching. Make sure you check back tomorrow to see the next project I work on. It's going to be some subway art that I'm making myself out of a bunch of transfers, and I think you'll really like it. I know I will, and I can't wait to hang it up. So thanks so much for joining me tonight, guys. I hope you have a wonderful night, and I will see you all tomorrow.